Dr. Panda.
Hello.
Dr. Panda.
Toto.
Please tell us what will you be doing today? Dr. Panda.
Let's go.
Dr. Panda. No task too big, come bring your friends and let's play. Fighting fires, fixing tires, he always saves the day. Out of groceries, hey, no worries. Dr. Panda's on his way. Dr. Panda. Dr. Panda.
Hello.
Come on, let's go and have some fun today.
Hi, Dr. Panda. What are you going to do today?
Hi, everyone. I'm getting ready to clean things up. Can you guess what I am?
A cleaner?
Almost. Today, Hoopa and I are litter collectors.
Ooh.
Ooh, will the litter be smelly?
Well, I sure hope not.
Whoa! It's windy out there.
Hi, Hoopa. Let's hope we don't get blown away. Are you coming, Toto?
Kite!
Hey, maybe you can fly your kite while Hoopa and I clean things up.
Yay!
Let's get trucking!
Hi, Moo.
Huh? Where's your litter, Moo?
Everywhere! The wind knocked all my bins over.
Oh, dear.
Uh-oh.
It's a disaster.
No worries, Moo. We'll soon get this cleaned up.
Really?
Of course.
Sure thing.
Oh, good, because I've got a heap of washing to hang out. At least the wind's good for something.
Okay, I'll start here and you can start over there.
I'm on it. Ready, steady, clean!
Oh, 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 oh. Gotcha.
Wow! The ghost!
Hooper! It's me! Moo!
A ghost ain't Moo!
Oh!
Oh, it's you!
Yes, it's me! I'm trying to hang out my sheets, but the wind doesn't make it easy.
It's not easy collecting all this litter when it's this windy either.
Oh, Moo, this is gonna be hard.
I did it, boom, hey, huh?
Are you okay, Toto?
Again!
The sheet caught you before you flew right away, didn't it?
Okay, I've just loaded the last bit in the truck. We're all done.
Awesome!
Great! And my sheets will soon be nice and dry. Moo! Oh, no! Not again! Dr. Panda, what are we gonna do?
No worries, Moo. I've got a plan.
Great! A plan! What's the plan?
We're going to catch the litter.
You mean chase after it?
No, catch it with a net. The way Moo's sheep caught Toto.
Oh!
That's so smart.
Yes!
Hey! There! That's not going anywhere.
Thanks for tidying up the garden. Eventually.
It was all Toto's idea, really. You've got a new idea.
Balloon!
Well, that's an adventure for another day. You'd better get your washing in before it flies away.
Oh, right. Bye now.
Bye, Moo. Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye, Dr. Panda.